Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll on Twitch. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in twitch.com or twitch.tv and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Twitch website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to create a poll within your channel, just click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Creator Dashboard. Now from this page, click on Stream Manager and this will take you into your stream management page. Now from this page, you can use your chat option in order to create your poll. Just type in /poll and then press the send button, which will open up the poll menu within your chat. You can also click on the plus icon underneath Quick Actions if you don't see the poll settings. Now from the Quick Action menu, you will find the poll settings underneath Grow Your Community, which you can click on in order to create your poll. However, you may not have access to this feature if you don't have any followers on your account. So make sure that you have followers that can actually participate in the poll before you can start and actually create one. Once you can access the poll menu, you can simply type in your desired query, provide the options, and post it within your channel, and your followers will then be able to cast their votes. And there you have it. That is how you can set up a poll on your Twitch account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.